Hi, this is my flyback transformer, and there is a driver which is built around MOSFET. MOSFET number is IRP 260N, and it's giving very high voltage which is around 20 to 25 kV. That means 20 to 25,000 volt in these two terminals. Now if I switch on the power supply, then very huge amount of high voltage is going to create. So we do not want to touch this line, this wire. Now we need to start the power. There is around 3 centimeter difference, still discharging is happening, and very nasty hissing noise are coming from this plasma arc. So that's all, thank you.